Good morning everyone, my name is Bilal Ahmed and you are watching Basics for You. Previously we were talking about the simulation softwares like Proteus and Arduino programming and projects related to it. We studied how to install Proteus software, how to use its different components and how to configure them. But I realized that all of this stuff is related to electronic components and circuitry, and not all of us are familiar with this field of engineering. So I decided to start a tutorial series on electronic components. The main motive behind this is to give an idea about how these electronic components are manufactured, how they work and what are their applications. So, let's get started. My name is Bilal Ahmed, I am an electrical engineer, I have worked as robotics developer. I have knowledge of coding in C programming, Python, web development, Arduino programming and programming with the MATLAB. Before we dig deep into electronics, let's understand the difference between the two fields of engineering. Before we start, don't forget to support this channel, like, share and subscribe to this channel. Let's start with electrical engineering first. Electrical engineering is the field of engineering, which deals the work associated with electricity, electronic devices, and applications of electromagnetism. It starts from the generation, transmission, distribution, and utilization of electrical energy in different ways. Like in electrical machines, using the applications of electromagnetism and electronic devices and circuiting. It includes the systems like electrical machines, electronic devices like converters and controllers, etc. On the other hand, electronic engineering deals the study, use, and applications of semiconductor devices. It includes the fields like digital electronics, analog electronics, power system, embedded systems, etc. It deals works from small voltage level components, like diodes, to higher voltage level components, like IGBTs. Both the branches of engineering are correlated. If one deals with the manufacturing of electronic devices, then other uses the devices for designing different systems, for example, fax devices and motor drives, etc. This was just an overview about the introduction and the difference between the two fields of engineering. The next video will be based on the construction of semiconductor devices and their working. Thank you for watching.